Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around the cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Don't bring around the cloud to rain on my parade. I'll march my band out. I'll beat my drum. And if I'm fanned out, you'll turn it back, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hack, sir. I guess I didn't make it. But whether I'm the rose of sheer perfection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, a cinder or the shiny apple of its eye, I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Ooh, love is juicy, juicy, and you'll see I gotta have my rights, sir. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and bam. One shot, one gunshot and bam. Hey, look at me, world. Here I am. I'll march my band out. I'll beat my drum. And if I'm fanned out, your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta watch my heart's a drummer. Nobody, no, nobody is gonna rain on my When Carol called me, I jumped at the opportunity to be part of a night like tonight. And, you know, nights like tonight and all of the events that have happened over the last 2 months from today, actually, was the flood. It's just been amazing to me how much the community has come together. And it's been just such a, I'm a Maryland girl born and bred, but I actually didn't move to Howard County until 2 years ago. And there's just something special in this community, and to see how everyone's come together, and really beyond Howard County, it's been all over Maryland. And I just think that we come together, we see the good in each other at times like this, and we see when tragedies happen that there's always something bright at the end of it. When all the world is a hopeless jumble and the raindrops tumble all around,